Hello guys, since it's daytime, ito muna yung filter ko ha. Let's see your situation ha. Thank you, Lord, and just please give me the situation of my collective. Grabe yung pinagdadaanan ng mga tao sigurado ngayon. So, I wish all of you are well para sa aking collective. Okay? Thank you so much. So, overall energy, you are ready to compromise something na hindi akala mo na irreconcilable dahil pares kayo may difference sa life. But you are willing to chase this though you are still feel trapped. Okay? Maybe you are in your own shield. And when I said na your own shield, it's not about na hindi ka nagpapakita sa ibang tao. Obsessing and overdoing something is part of the shield. So what you should do, I think dahil part to ng kakabasa ko lang din kanina because I thought na ang pagiging shield natin is pagiging part ng introvert at yung lumalayo tayo. Hindi pala. Overspending is one of them. So ang ginagawa ko ngayon is dati gusto ko makuha lahat. As of now, ginagawa ko is one day at a time. Probably sabi mo, ay Magasper, no. Bumibili ako ng kailangan na lang. Halimbawa, kung kailangan ng laki may pancit canton, 1 pack na lang nun. Parang ganon. So, ina-analyze ko na siya. So, you should do the same. Halimbawa, kung most of the time you're online ka, pagka-uwi mo sa work, ando ka na lagi. I think na dapat bawasan mo yon. Tapos, tingnan mo kung ano yung goals mo talaga sa life. And if your goals is not part of the doing something, tanggalin mo yan, okay? Lalo na you wanted to chase something that you thought na hindi na maayos pa. Pero, since hindi ka pa gumagalaw kasi you are in your own bubble, okay? Thank you so much. Alright, just please give me one more card. Okay. So, gusto mong balikan yung bagay na dating binitawan mo. Okay? Dahil siguro that time, you don't have enough money or tingin mo parang lahat ng circumstances, tao, or sitwasyon is against sa'yo. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng struggle. So, binitawan mo to. You're finding your own strength because the situation or that person is mahal mo tong bagay na to. Leo and Libra might be resonated, okay? And you want to put parang kung gusto mo magkaroon ng grounded beginning, okay, with this situation or this person or maybe in both, okay? Thank you so much, Lord Angels. What is your message for our collective? Nakialam na ako. I'm so sorry. Kasi pinagdadaanan ko din siya ngayon at pinag-aaralan ko. Pero don't worry, lahat tayo ma-overcome natin yan. Basta alam natin yung mali natin. And one of my technique sa life, kahit nung nag-aaral ako, tingnan yung mali ko at balikan yung mga nasa test paper ko. Halimbawa, hindi ako sure sa number 5. Ang ginagawa ko, binabalikan ko yun. Yun ang titingnan ko. Yung mga sure ako na tama yung sagot ko, hindi ko na siya binabalikan. Yung mga mali ko lang. So, sabi ko nga din sa pamilya ko, if you want to know yourself, tingnan mo muna yung mali mo kasi lagi tayong tama sa paningin natin na hindi natin alam. Pero kung titingnan mo yung mali mo, mas makikilala mo pala yung sarili mo. And to be honest, magugulat ka, you're not like that pala. So, tingnan natin. Sabi ng guides ko, hindi na ako magbubukas ng sasabihin kasi mukhang sinabi mo na. sorry naman po. Sige, Tarot Angels, please help me. Ano ang gusto sabihin ng guys ng aking collective na nakaalam na catch? Okay? Pangiti-ngiti lang tayo pero I'm sure may pinagdadaanan ka din, okay? your guide's telling me, I am right. Probably na yun sa sinabi ko. But please, give us an additional for our very own collective. Thank you so much. Please give me another card. Okay. Okay. So, Pisces might be resonate sa inyo and mataas ang intuition mo. So, probably alam mo na yung pinagdadaanan mo but you are bubbling up. Yun nga, katulad na kung sinasabi. Which is kailangan mo i-down because there is blessing coming in your way. And you're delaying that because you won't change. Scorpio sign might be resonate. And Sagittarius, you have to be adventurous. Hi, me. Okay? You have to be adventurous, sabi ng guides mo. Kasi, the way na nagbabubble up tayo, we are over doing something, obsessing to something, we don't let the tower fall down. Therefore, the change will not come, it will be delayed, and the blessing will not come to us then. Kaya, your guides telling you to, we know that it's hard as a, kahit siguro yung guides natin, nahihirapan sa atin. But, we have to change, okay, our perspective. Kahit one at a time, one at a day. So we can let it flow, okay? So what ano bang pwede pang i-add sa life mo na pwedeng mangyari in your future? Okay? Okay, Libra, it might be resonated. Andito pa rin siya. Same promise. Same, binalasa ko na to ha. Same lang ng message din ng ibang tarot card ko. We are delaying something that we want to have. Something that we've been thinking about and we know we have the heart in it because we are bubbling up. But still, the strength will be there if we gonna change. Okay? Collective, paulit-ulit na sa atin sinasabi ng guides mo and might be my guides too dahil we are aligned na we have to change something in our dynamic. And akala natin na pagka magbabubble, bubble down or yung parang ano ba yung sinasabi ng guides natin na parang kailangan ko lumabas. Hindi pala yon. Kailangan ko magpakita sa tao, hindi pala yon. Doing something, obsessing something, yung pala yung dapat bawasin natin, okay? Medyo mahihirapan ako sa ibang part, pero, yeah, we can do that. So, we can become what our guides we want to be, so we can balance in this world, okay? Okay, bye. Bye na muna. Always smile.